Hi, I'm Lisa from Crewbooking. In this video, I will show you how to create and use shortlists in your Resources section. Resources is the place where you can find professionals from the Crewbooking community. You are then able to access their full profile by clicking on their name or picture. You can also engage in a conversation and book them directly if you want to. You can learn more about booking a crew member in our dedicated video. Note that it is possible to add your own external contacts by inviting them on Crewbooking. By doing so, those contacts will be automatically added to your resources. You can invite contacts one by manually entering their name and email address. Or you can directly upload a single file with the details of all your contacts. In the upper left corner, you can see your list of favorites and all your shortlists. You can add a crew member in your favorites by clicking on the red star on his profile, or in your own personalized shortlists by clicking here. Let's create a new list that we will name My List. Don't worry, the person won't be notified if you add or remove him from a list. Now that you have defined your shortlists and favorite contacts, you will be able to find them in your planning, in the booking section, which is basically a calendar showing your bookings and the availability of the crew members from your resources. You can browse your contacts by name, booking title or status, and by shortlists. Another great feature of the shortlists is that we can use them as a custom audience when posting a mission. From the Posts section, create a mission, and you will find here each one of your shortlists, as well as your list of favorites. Here is my list. You can still add other criteria if you want to. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about posting a mission, you can find more specific information in another video.